Magandang araw, ako si Sir Richard at ito ang ikatlong video natin para sa topic na hyperbola. So, in this example, we will try to again manually solve a problem from our module. So, this can be found in page 31 of our module. Right now, for the direction, by the way, center is at HK. So, ibig sabihin, it is identified na meron tayong value for H and K. Wala siya sa 0, 0. So for the direction, identify the parts of the given specific conditions, standard form, and general form of the equation of the hyperbola. So this is our standard form. Once again, for our center, since ang value ng katabi ng x at y is x plus 1, so our x is negative 1, at ito ay y minus 5, so for the k is that's positive 5. Next, for the orientation. Ang orientation natin ay vertical. Paano natin nalaman? Dahil y ang positive sa equation nito. Noong nakaraan, si x ang positive kaya siya horizontal. This time, y naman yung positive. So proceed tayo. A squared is equals to 100. Therefore, A is equals to 10. B squared is equals to 25. So, B is equals to 5. Since may value na tayo ni A squared at saka B squared, we can now try to identify the value of C. So, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. Ang A squared natin is 100 plus 25. Next, that is square root of 125 for the value of C. So, C is equals to 5 square root of 5. Or approximately, that is 11.18. Para kapag nag-plot ulit tayo, meron tayong idea kung saan natin siya ilalagay. So, this is the value of C. We also have the value of B. Then we have the value of A. Okay, next. Plot natin siya sa partition A. Okay. So, ang center natin is negative 1, positive 5. I tried to use 3, 6, 9, 12 by 3 yung kada line para hindi siya masyadong mahaba. So, assuming this is negative 1 and positive 5 for the center. So, 3, 4, 5 dito. Ito yung center natin. Now, mula sa center, kailangan natin ang A. Since si A is naka Y, nasa Y-axis tayo for the A. A daw is 10. So, from 5, angat tayo ng 10. So, that will be 15. From 5, baba tayo ng 10. That will be, so this is 3, 6, negative 5. Pili natin si C. Si C ay 11.18. So, kung to ay 10, ang 11.18 or 11 is 16 point something. So, dito, ganun din. Layo ko lang ng konti. So, this is C. Now, si B is 5. So, from negative 1, angat tayo ng 5. So, that should be 4. Sorry. Ito pala yung ano. So, ito pala yung center. 4. From negative 1, another 5. So, that should be 6. Negative 6. Yan. So, meron tayong A, B, and C. bago tayo mag-drawing ng hyperbola, gawa muna tayo ng dash lines, rectangular, na tatama sa A, B, and C. Once again, ang center natin is wala sa origin, nandito sa ibabaw. Ito yung center, by the way. Center. Okay. So, yan. Gawa na tayo ng dash lines. Matatagos doon, papunta sa gitna. Another one. Sorry. So, assuming tumama siya sa gitna. Then, since vertical tayo, ito yung ano natin. Yan. Isa pa sa baba. Opens downward. Okay. So, yan na yung hyperbola natin. Next, kunin naman natin si asymptote. Asymptote. So, once again, our equation is y minus k equals to positive, negative, rise over run, quantity x minus h. This time, hindi natin cancel out si k at si h since may value tayo ng hk for the center. So, y minus, ano yung k natin? That is 5 equals to positive, negative. Ano yung rise natin? Yung pataas, that is A. So, A is 10 over B is 5. Then, quantity x minus h. X minus h. Ang h natin is negative 1. So, x plus 1. Simplify natin. This will become 2. And, dadali natin si 5 doon. So, y is equals to 5. Positive, negative. This will become 2x plus 1. Or 5 positive, negative, 2x plus 2. Yan yung asymptote natin. Next, general format. So, from SF, or the standard form, rewrite ko lang, y minus 5 squared all over 100 minus x plus 1 squared all over 25 equals to 1. So, 125, that is equals to 2,500. So, 2,500. Multiply natin both sides by 2,500. 2, 5. There you go. So, kapag binultiply natin, that will give us 25 y minus 5 squared minus 100 x plus 1 squared equals to 2,500. Yan. Simplify natin to. Or expand rather. Usugan ng konti. So, 25 y minus 5 squared, doblehin natin to. Unahin mo natin si y. Y squared, doblehin natin to. That is negative 10y. Then, multiply by itself. Plus 25 minus 100 x squared. Pag dinoble natin yung 1, that will be plus 2x. 1 times 1 is, or 1 squared, equals to 1,500. Next, distribute natin si 25 dun sa loob at si 100 dun sa loob. Also with this one. Okay, so that will become 25y squared minus 250y plus 25 times 25 is 625 minus 100x squared minus ulit 200x minus 100. Isabay natin si 2,500 dito sa kaliwa equals to 0. Yan. May pwede ba tayong i-simplify? So, positive 625, negative 100, negative 2,500. 25y squared, rewrite lang natin. Pwede ko na unahin si x squared. So, negative 100x squared plus 25y squared minus 200x minus 250y tapos minus, pagsamahin natin to 625 negative 2,500 minus 100, that will give us negative 2,600 plus 625. So, natin dito negative 2,600 plus 625, and that will give us 1,975 negative. So, negative 1,975 equals to 0. Okay, may nakalimutan ba ako? Bakit nga ba natin sinulat ulit ng ganito? So, we are trying to follow ax squared, the general form, plus cy squared, plus bx, plus ey, plus f, equals to 0. Yan. Finally, so yung values ni vertex, conjugate, end of conjugate axis, endpoints of conjugate axis at foci or focus. So, since si A is equals to 10, from the center, negative 1, comma 5, kaya ang vertices natin ay ito at ito. This is negative 1, comma 15, and negative 1, comma 5 to negative 5. So, natin na konti. B is equals to 5. So, endpoints of conjugates, conjugate na lang. That should be, ito si B. From negative 1, so 5, kaya positive 4, comma 5, and from negative 1, talad ng 5, negative 6, comma 5. Yan. Next, since CC is 5 square root of 5, nandito siya. So, negative 1. Then, from 5 plus 5 square root of 5. The other one is negative 1 from 5 and minus 5 square root of 5. So, that is our ABC. We also have the general form. Meron na rin tayong SF, horizontal, orientation, asymptote, and that's it. So, sana naging malinaw kung paano isolve yung ikalawang example natin, step by step. So, if ever may confusion dun sa naging computation or tingin nyo may nagkamali ako dun, message lang kayo para at least maitama natin yung video. So, kita-kita ulit tayo para sa next video. So, for week 5. Thank you.